in my opinion, Dr. Stino and Dr. Inesco's have basically reinvented the dental experience for me. It's incredibly effortless coming in here. Everyone's so friendly. Everyone knows your name. You never have to wait. They have a beautiful waiting room. They explain everything to you. You can even watch TV or movies. It's just really been, an incredible experience. I can't imagine ever going anywhere else. I wish all medical offices were like this. Unfortunately, they're not. So, thank you.
I'm a new patient of Water Tower Dental. I'm one of these people who had an extreme fear of dentists after a bad experience a long time ago and did a lot of research before deciding where I would come to get some dental care. And I needed significant work and delayed for a long period of time. And settled on coming to Water Tower Dental. And I have to say that I have not been disappointed. As a matter of fact, I'm exceedingly pleased with the quality of care that I've received. The entire team from start to finish has been outstanding. I needed a lot of preliminary work before I could get the major work done from Dr. Inesco, but when it was all said and done, he put me on a path to recovery and ultimately happiness with respect to my dental appearance. From start to finish, everything was explained to me. No detail was left unsaid. I was presented with information early on about what would happen, how it would happen, the period of time it would take to get all of the work done, and when, at the end of the day, the result was just outstanding. I really can't say enough good things about the team here, and it really is a team approach. Everyone from the time you come into the office to the support you get from the entire team has been outstanding. You definitely end up with your favorites because they're the people who do a lot of hand holding along the way. But Dr. A and the team, Raul, everyone has been absolutely outstanding. I would say to anyone who is having concerns about dental care, your smile is everything to you. And it's the one thing that people take a look at. That's the first impression that people have of you. So if you are putting off getting that dental work done and you really don't know where to go, I strongly suggest that you take a look at the team at Water Tower Dental. They are excellent. I'm one of these people that's a perfectionist. I'm always looking for quality healthcare. I want a team of people that are approachable, accessible, knowledgeable, have the latest information with respect to what's going on from a technology perspective, and you will find all of that and more here with this team. As I said, I was not disappointed. I came with a lot of trepidation, a lot of fear, needed a lot of hand holding, and at the end of the day, the entire team has been outstanding. I have to say that I'm sorry I waited so long to get it done, but I'm certainly at this point very appreciative of the result and will continue to come here to maintain quality dental care. So if you're one of these people with an exceptional fear like me, I would strongly suggest that you look at this team. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sonal Gandhi, and I am a patient at Water Tower Dental. Dr. Stino is my dentist, and I highly recommend Dr. Stino and the whole practice. They've helped me get my teeth completely back in order. From one doing Invisalign, so that was more cosmetic and just aesthetics, but also just really cleaning up my gum line, which suffered from a lot of plaque and just buildup. Over the last few years, I've worked with them, and I come into the office once every month or once every few months for one of the above mentioned appointments, and now I've just completed the entire process, and my mouth and my teeth feel really, really healthy, really clean, and very beautiful. So I would love to recommend this practice to anyone who needs dental help. And over the course of coming in here so often, I can say that they've been good friends as well, and I enjoy every time I come in to visit. So I hope you have as great of an experience as I did. Thank you.
and I'd had the same dentist for over 30 years. So you can only imagine how difficult it is to come to a new city and try to find a new dentist and doctor and whatnot. So I was very fortunate to have a referral to come to Water Tower Dental Care, and I have been extremely pleased ever since I've had treatment here. I am going through Invisalign treatment presently. I've had other dental services here, and of course have my regular cleanings. I couldn't be more pleased with the technology that this office affords its patients, and also the opportunity to have a wonderful dentist with Doc Stino and the team here. They've been absolutely fantastic.
I came to Water Tower Dental Care a number of years ago because I was looking for people that were friendly, professional, and had technology that kept up with what was going on. I've never been disappointed here. And you get a cookie at the end of your visit.
I have been coming to Water Tower Dental for about 4 years now, and I will say it's been overall the best choice, best decision I could have done. Just from my first visit, walking in the door, being greeted by the front desk ladies, they've always been super friendly and nice and kind and willing to work with my crazy schedule. And then from my visits with Dr. Inesco, my initial visit with him, you know, taking my mess of a mouth into something great and to be proud of. I always feel awesome when I leave this office. Dr. Stino has really helped me out with my Invisalign and just getting me to a point where I feel really proud and I want to smile at all times. It's just been, you know, the staff has just been awesome, easy to work with, and super professional. They really take pride in their work, and it shows at the end of the day.
Kremen, and my first experience with Dr. Inesco and his fantastic staff was about a year and a half ago when I had a loose crown and was going to be attending a wedding in Texas, and I knew that if it fell out I would be in trouble. I contacted my sister, who is also a patient of Dr. Inesco's, and she highly referred him to me. Great suggestion, outstanding suggestion. I did have more than a loose crown. Basically, a lot of my crowns were in rough shape as they were very old, and after x-rays it was determined that I would need an implant where the crown is, and that began my thus far year-and-a-half process with Dr. Inesco and his staff, and making my mouth a much healthier and much better looking set of teeth to look at when I smile. I have a very large smile line, and this has been the out-of-the-box, out-of-the-world dental experience anyone can ever have. If you can exude enthusiasm for a group of professionals, it clearly is Water Tower Dental Care. From the moment you walk in the door, every member of the staff, every assistant he has, every hygienist, Dr. Inesco has built a fantastic team. He is blessed to have so many people working with him that are so skilled, but they are blessed because obviously he's an extremely talented and a truly dedicated professional. It is my joy to be a patient here. I highly recommend him. I would recommend Dr. Inesco to anyone. And on that note, you guys have a fantastic fall, and thank you again for superior, outstanding, over-the-top, out-of-this-world dental care. I would never go anyplace else. Thanks again.
Dental care for approximately 5 years now, and I absolutely love it. The quality of care, the painless procedures, and I've had quite a few procedures done, and they've all been relatively painless, which is a great experience at a dentist because that's one of the main reasons why people don't go to the dentist. The state-of-the-art technology is impeccable. Couldn't ask for a more current experience. It definitely feels like they've done their research on the technology and have gotten the best equipment here to serve their patients. The friendly atmosphere, I cannot speak highly enough about the quality of the customer care and the way they actually care for you. I recommended my mother, I recommended good friends, I recommended co-workers, and they've all had the same sort of pleasant experience, same pleasant words to say about the staff here at Water Tower Dental. And I couldn't ask for a better dental experience. I would highly recommend it to everybody.
And I'm a patient of Dr. Nesko, and I have to say that since coming here since 2011 for 3 years, I've been quite impressed with not only his work but the staff's work. It's been absolutely makes me feel at home. Comfort level has been phenomenal, and the work they do is the best in the city.
Hi, I'm Betsy. I have been a patient of Water Tower Dental for I think about 9 years now. Yeah, I think so. And I can't say enough good things about my experience here. I was previously one of those super nervous patients about going to the dentist, terrified of pain and just the environment in general before coming here. And now I come to the dentist every 6 months for my checkup. I look forward to it. Everybody here, from your first moment walking in the door, getting welcomed, to your actual treatment, is comfortable and kind and funny and sweet and caring, and they and the treatment itself, they know what they're doing. Doctors Anesco and Stino are amazing in their field, and very smart and very nice and very sweet and patient with me. So again, I can't say enough nice things, and I will come here and be patient for as long as I can.